February 1959, the icy wilderness of the Ural Mountains, Russia. 9 experienced hikers set out on what was supposed to be a routine expedition, but what they encountered changed the course of unexplained mysteries forever. This is the Dyatlov Pass incident. For decades, the question has haunted investigators, historians, and conspiracy theorists alike. What really happened on that fateful night? It all began with a group of 9 young adventurous students from the Ural Polytechnical Institute. Led by Igor Dyatlov, the team was experienced, well-prepared, and eager to test themselves against the unforgiving winter terrain. Their plan seemed simple: trek through the northern Ural Mountains and reach Otorten Mountain, covering about 350 kilometers in total. What could possibly go wrong for a skilled team like this? By February 1st, they had set out on their journey, fully equipped with tents, skis, and warm gear. Yet no one could anticipate the tragedy awaiting them. On February 1st and 2nd, the hikers sent letters home, detailing minor hardships, but nothing alarming. By February 12th, they were overdue. Families grew worried. An official search party was dispatched. What the searchers found would shock the world. The hikers' campsite was discovered weeks later, on February 26th. Their tent had been cut open from the inside, an unsettling detail suggesting they fled in a hurry. Outside the tent lay footprints, some barefoot, some in socks. The hikers had left in the dead of night, under extreme sub-zero temperatures. Why? What had terrified them enough to abandon warmth and shelter? The first 2 bodies were found at the edge of the forest, shoeless, partially clothed, and showing signs of hypothermia. Then, the remaining bodies were discovered, each in increasingly bizarre conditions. Some of the hikers had severe internal injuries, broken ribs and skull fractures comparable to a car crash, yet their clothing showed no external signs of trauma. Even stranger, one body was missing its tongue and another was found with high levels of radiation. How could 9 experienced hikers meet such a fate without any trace of an external attack? Theories began to emerge, ranging from the plausible to the bizarre. Some suggest the hikers fled due to an avalanche, but experts noted the slope was too gentle, and there was no evidence of a large snowslide. Could a minor snow slab really have triggered such a panic? Researchers proposed infrasound-induced panic, a rare phenomenon where specific wind conditions create frequencies that induce irrational fear. Could this have caused the hikers to flee in terror? Another theory points to secret military testing. Reports indicate the area was used for weapons tests, and unexplained radiation on the clothing fuels speculation. Did the hikers stumble upon a top-secret experiment? Some have even suggested the impossible: an encounter with a Yeti or some unknown entity. Eyewitness reports from locals include strange footprints and eerie screams in the mountains. While wild, these theories have kept the story alive, feeding curiosity and fear alike. In recent years, Russian authorities reopened the investigation. Advanced simulations and snow modeling concluded that a small avalanche could indeed have caused the hikers to panic. Yet, not all questions were answered. Why were some bodies found so far from the tent? And what about the mysterious injuries? Even modern science cannot fully explain the anomalies. The story of the Dyatlov Pass has inspired books, documentaries, movies, and countless internet theories. It serves as a chilling reminder of how little we truly understand about nature, fear, and human behavior in extreme conditions. Every year, adventurers visit the site, retracing the hikers' steps. Some report eerie feelings, unexplained sounds, and a sense of being watched. Whether supernatural or psychological, the mountains hold on to their secrets tightly. For the families, the mystery is a lifelong pain. For the world, it remains a puzzle, challenging our understanding of fear, survival, and the unknown. The Dyatlov Pass incident reminds us of the fragility of life and the power of the unknown. 9 young lives full of promise cut short under circumstances still debated decades later. Was it nature, human error, or something else entirely? Perhaps the true horror lies not in the cause, but in the fact that some mysteries are never meant to be solved. The Ural Mountains still whisper secrets to those who dare to listen. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because some mysteries are worth exploring, again and again.